push back all our problems lately. Polaroid shots in the mountains, baby. We had time to make good nights. So we were high, we had a radio, love. We said we'd never, ever, ever let it go. No.
Am I right? Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm in my kitchen because I'm gonna be filming a what I eat in a day. This was super requested, and I just want to put it out there that I am type 1 diabetic, so I eat mostly low carb, and I also eat whole food. So that's basically food with one ingredient, and it's not processed or packaged or anything like that. So today I'm going to show you guys my breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, and some little drinks in between. And I really hope that you guys get some ideas on what you can have for these meals or some healthy snack ideas. And let's just get into this video. So I'd like to start off my day with some lemon water because it has so many benefits. First, I fill up my glass halfway with room temperature water, and then the other half with warmed water, not boiling water. Then I will squeeze the juice out of a lemon with my little lemon juicer, and I will pour that into the water and mix it up. I add some vanilla stevia, like about 3 or 4 drops, mix it up, and it tastes so good, and especially because it's warm and it's like super cold in the winter. Then for breakfast, I like to have a chocolate smoothie bowl. To make that, I use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk with some spinach, and I also add an avocado to thicken it up because it's going to be a bowl, so I'm gonna eat it with a spoon. Then I add some frozen berries like strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and a heaping tablespoon of cocoa and some ice. I also add some liquid stevia to give a little bit more sweetness. And then I liquefy that for about 20 seconds, and the texture becomes like an acai bowl in my opinion, and I think it's the perfect texture for a smoothie bowl. And if I want to be a little fancy, I will add some raw unsweetened coconut flakes, and I don't know, this tastes really good, and you guys have probably seen it on my Instagram story about 1,000,000 times. For lunch, I like to have a humongous salad. So I will fill my huge bowl up with some spinach, some cucumber, and some peppers and carrots. Then I will add some avocado because, as you guys probably know, I love my avocado. Then I'll add some sockeye salmon. I usually just have some protein like chicken or pieces of burger or some salmon. And then I will have this homemade dressing that I will link down below for you guys. It is so good. It's a honey Dijon dressing. This salad is so nice, and it also looks really good in pictures, not gonna lie, and I have it almost every day at school and at home. Then for a snack after school, I usually have some veggies, some dip, and a low sugar fruit. So today I had carrots, baba ganoush, and a little clementine. With my snack, I like to have a decaf coffee because I'm obsessed with the taste of coffee. So I will just boil my water, and then I will take this medium dark decaffeinated roast, and I will take 2 tablespoons of that and put it in my French press and add some boiling water. Then I will set a timer for 4 minutes so it can all like dissolve or something. I don't know what it does, but it works. And I will press it down, pour it into my mug, and because I don't really like it that strong, I use a dairy-free creamer called Nut Pods, and it's unsweetened, and I usually use the hazelnut or vanilla one, but I only had the original, so I added some vanilla extract to make it more flavored. For dinner, I usually have some type of protein and some vegetables, so today was kind of boring, but this is a super real video, so I just had a roast beef, some veggies like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, and some Dijon mustard. I usually get hungry before I go to bed, so I like to have a homemade chocolate chia pudding. I will have the recipe linked down below. It is super easy to make, and it works well on my blood sugars. And whenever I want to have a treat, I actually have gotten used to super dark chocolate. I get the 90% cocoa or 85% cocoa ones, and I'm obsessed with this, guys. And I really like this chocolate, so yeah, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed these snack ideas, meal ideas, coffee ideas, I don't know. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. How am I gonna do this? I can't reach it. Okay, bye.